Hey, what's up, boxers? This is Zach Rosette with Buildbox. In this video, I'm going to keep it real short. I'm just letting you guys know that we're having a survey right now, and we're asking you guys what type of videos and tutorials you want to see. Okay, it's like a real short survey. It's like 2 minutes long, and we're going to have a link to the survey down in the description, and we're also going to have a link to the survey up in the upper right-hand corner. It's going to pop up at the end of this video. So definitely give us your feedback so that we can start making videos specifically designed to what you guys want. Okay, and also part of the survey, we're having a game jam here pretty soon. I'm probably going to announce it later today, and it's going to be on June 1st, June 2nd, and June 3rd. Okay, but we're not announcing the theme of the game jam until the night before so that nobody can cheat and try to start working on a game a little bit early. Okay, but we're asking you guys in the survey what type of theme you'd like for the game jam, and it's going to be awesome. So give us your feedback, let us know what you want, and then we might end up picking yours. Okay, so definitely take the survey, and I'll have another tutorial for you guys later today. Okay, so look out for that as well. All right, boxers, thank you so much. See you guys.